Welcome to another quick tips session at the Pipeline Academy with your host, Dr. Who. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize steps together so that they act as one group. This is helpful when you want all the steps in the group to start at the same time, instead of one after another. Let's take a quick look to see how it works. Here I have an example of a flow for responding to a request for proposal. After I get the proposal requirements, I need to get quotes from my suppliers, all three of them. This is a typical example of where I need the steps to be grouped because I want to contact all three suppliers at the same time. I can't wait for one to respond, then send out the second and the third. That would just take too long. So I put all the suppliers in a step group so that all three suppliers get notified at the same time. You can see the step group here in the gray box that surrounds each supplier step. And look here, each step in the group uses a letter A, B, C, and so on to identify themselves. Finally, at the top of the group, you can see I've assigned a due date of 7 days for the group as well. That means each supplier in the group will have 7 days to respond with a quote. Makes sense, right? Now let's see it in action. Go up to the top, create ask. I'm going to create a request for Apollo Group for 3 buildings and 500 employees. And create. Here's my ask. And let's scroll down to look at the steps. See step 1? That's the step group for my 3 suppliers. And you can see each supplier has their own step to complete. See the indentions? That's how you know these steps belong to the group. Look, the third step in the group just got completed. It's got the check mark now. And see, the second step in the group just got completed. You can track the progress of the group here, 2 out of 3. Oh look, the first step in the group just got completed. And now we move on to step 2 because the group is now complete. 3 out of 3, which is exactly what we want. Be able to notify multiple people at the same time. And once they're all done, move to the next step. Look how easy it was to put that together and orchestrate those activities in Pipeline. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about this feature or would like free training for you and your team, you can easily schedule a live session with us via the homepage or reach out to us over chat in the app. We look forward to speaking with you.